Hi, welcome to another lesson at EDU Solutions Institute. Now, in today's lesson, we are continuing on the CSEC chemistry syllabus on the principle of acids and bases. Now, in previous lesson, we have looked at what's an acid, what is a base, properties of acids, properties of bases. We've also looked at the preparation of salts. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to look at the basic property, which are the reactions of acids with metals, oxides, and carbonates. So stay tuned as we explore on our reactions of acids. Now, the first reaction is between acids and metals. Now, acids will react with reactive metals such as magnesium, zinc, to make a salt and hydrogen gas. So in general, once a metal, is above the reactivity of hydrogen in our reactivity series. So if you don't know the reactivity series, you can pause this video and look at our previous videos that we focus on the reactivity series. So once a metal is higher in the reactivity series than hydrogen, then it will displace the hydrogen from an acid to give you a salt and hydrogen gas. So in essence, we are taking away the hydrogen from the acid, combining that metal with the non-metal of the acids, and we leave the hydrogen as a gas by itself. Now, in future lessons, we'll learn on how do we know that hydrogen gas is produced. And a simple way is by doing this simple experiment here that we bubble the gas that's produced in water in an upside down container, and you'll see the bubbles being formed going up, displacing the water. Now, the second reaction is between acids with carbonates. Now, a carbonate is CO3, right? So once it's mixed with another metal, then it's a carbonate. That's what we mean by a carbonate. Now, when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate, it produces a salt, water, and carbon dioxide. So what happened is that the metal will displace the hydrogen from the acid to create the salt, and then the hydrogen from the acid will mix with the carbonate to create the water and also leave with carbon dioxide. All right. Now, in order to know if carbon dioxide is present, we will carry it out with lime water, and lime water will turn in a white precipitate or white cloudy appearance to show that there's carbon dioxide present. Now, the next reaction is between acids and alkali, or acids and bases. All right, so in this case, it's an acid reacting with a metal oxide. And in that case, it produces a salt and it also produces a water. So the metal, again, from the metal oxide, will displace the hydrogen to create the salt, and then the hydrogen will mix with the oxide that remains to give you the water. And the same thing will apply for the metal hydroxide. So an acid and a metal hydroxide gives you the same water and salt. And that is the basis of reactions of acids with different compounds to give you different products. So hope you understand a little about the reaction of acids, and I'll see you next week where we continue to learn on the CSEC chemistry syllabus. Thank you.